What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha, and memes in our private Discord. Accessed by signing up to the Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. Make sure to watch till the end for short and long-term price predictions. That's where the good stuff is. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see over the past few days, it's had a very nice breakout indeed. You can see a lot of altcoins, they've been getting a little bit of a breakout of these downtrends that they have been stuck under, but we can see here for Verasity, we've had a very decent explosion to the upside. And we can see, I'll just drag this line out so you can see a bit more confluence. Basically, we've had lots of fundamental news for Verasity recently that's been hyper bullish, haven't we? Let's be honest, they've had that Huobi listing, which is a tier 1 exchange listing. They've had the partnership with Brightcove, lots of great fundamental news. You can see the volume for Verasity steadily rising over time as well. And, Verasity has been a ticking time bomb for a while in our opinion. And now, you can see we've got the really nice breakout. The really nice breakout here of the range that we were in for a good while. Once Bitcoin started to break out of its downtrend, the channel that it's been stuck under for a good while after we got that, breakout and backtest of the RSI, which we were talking about, a few days ago, it basically front run the actual breakout that we saw. And then once we got the breakout, you can see Verasity here has been, it's been having a very nice little gain, hasn't it? We're actually kind of disappointed for ourselves that we didn't pick up more Verasity down here around this 2 cent level, because we do really like this project personally and are invested in it, to be fully transparent. But you can see here, Verasity in the past 4 days, it's up like 65%. Which is not insignificant at all, is it? It's a very nice little move. So obviously if you look at the hourly time frame here, you can get a bit more of an idea of what was going on. We came down for Verasity, didn't we? We started chopping it up, going sideways in a range, basically waiting to see what Bitcoin was going to do, weren't we? And you can see here kind of what's been happening. You can actually see a lot of confluence on this chart. We come down, we form the coiling. Bitcoin starts to break out. So you can see Verasity starts to run up. We've actually broken out and finally back tested and ran away with this resistance that we've been stuck under for ages here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it was tested, finally broken on this 5th time here. We come up, we break out, we back test, we run up again. Basically up to this level here at that 3.2 cent level where we are currently sitting in and around. You can see we actually finally broken out of our downtrend resistance. We back tested it nicely and consolidated here. And now we've ran back up into this area here. Currently stuck underneath this previous range support as resistance, I think, looking something like this. If I just drag these out so you can see a bit more of what's going on. You can see right now we've come up. We've broken the 618 as well. Very nice to see. And now we're stuck under that previous resistance as support, along with potentially this last downtrend trend line that we do need to be breaking if we want to see some serious movement for Verasity to the upside pretty soon. If we look on the daily time frame, it's a bit more clear what's going on. You can see that first resistance was broken, but we've still got this overall resistance like this. Resistance, we come all the way down here, and then potentially, as we said, for weeks now, we could see that bump and run pattern. If we could break this resistance and backtest it, you could be coming back up towards the all-time high pretty soon, because that would be your technical target if you broke out of there. Because you can see here, you got your resistance, you get your capitulation, and we keep capitulating all the way down to support. And now we're coming back up towards that resistance again, aren't we? And if we come back inside this range and we break out that resistance and backtest it, we could be coming back up towards, that 5, 6, 7, 8 cent levels pretty damn soon. Because as we said, Verasity, massive fundamentals right now. Obviously an exceptionally good project. And the market cap is ridiculously low, to be fair, considering what they do. So in our opinion, we could be looking at seeing Verasity do some big things pretty damn soon. So with that all being said, Verasity looking really good here. Before we do short-term price predictions, as always, we would like to direct your attention to the free Discord in the description. Go down there and check it out. There's a ton of value in there, over 1,000 members, loads of good quality talks happening all the time. People are posting like 10, 20x opportunities in there all the time from what we can tell. We took advantage of them a few times. The community is absolutely amazing for, talking about new projects, potential, things that people could get into. So obviously go check it out. You might be, you could potentially be missing out on some really great quality content. We get a lot of, insight into all kinds of different projects that we miss personally from our community. So go check it out. Totally free. Click the link, sign up. It's that simple. And then if you do want to get a bit more of an edge on the market, as we always say, you can sign up to our Patreon if you want to support the channel, and you'll get access to VIP signals for Bitcoin. We post them daily, so you can get a bit more of an idea on, potential trades in the market. We're also talking about maxi moves, where we basically talk about our own personal moves in the markets, so you can get an idea of what we're doing. There's all kinds of stuff in there. So if you do want to support the channel and you want to support us, then basically go sign up to the Patreon. It really helps us out, and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that being said, we can do some short-term price predictions if we're rolling over and getting stuck under this resistance. For the time being, we've got support at that 2.6 cent level at the Fibonacci 618, and a bit lower down here towards this 2.4 cent level. But I think realistically, we could be looking at some crazy parabola over the next few days. I think realistically, we could be coming inside this range here, and if we do break this resistance as well, at around that 3.1, 3.2 cent level like this, then realistically, we could be coming up, to the top of the range at the very least over the next few weeks at 4.3, 4.4 cents. And as we've always said, we do think Verasity, obviously, it's an amazing project. If the market does play ball in 2022, I do think that we could reasonably expect, start coming up in a big way towards some of these price targets that we're looking for. If we're staying within this, this upwards channel that we can see here, we could reasonably be coming up, towards 28 to 20, 30, 40 cents here. But I think if we do get that big parabolic move we could get for Verasity, those 50 cent to $1 targets could be very likely. That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting with members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times per week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychologist and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be continuously updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated in the community to knowledge and learning. We're getting continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing into the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals, and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.